Today we are going to discuss about the joyful and happy life, smiling, laughing life. Try to listen anyone in the world except Paramahansa Yogananda. Everybody say if you are laughing, that is the laugh clears the soul, cleans the heart. But scientifically it is proved, if anybody is addicted of laugh, like ha 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 ha, like this, louder laugh, they are prone to the blood pressure, heart problem. This is one, but exceptions may be there. But majority it is proved like that. Because when you laugh longer, or making others to laugh, or having some laughing poetry, congregation of poets who are reciting poetry in order to laugh, that poet does not laugh. He sees others are laughing. Others are laughing for only time being. A poet will laugh along the audience, then poet health will not be good. When we say laughing cleans heart, cleans soul, now try to understand in this way. If you are laughing in order to make other laugh, and try to find out what is the cause of laugh. If you cut a joke on someone, try to do mimicry, trying to pose somebody like how this Prime Minister is talking, that Prime Minister, this scientist, that scientist, this famous person, that famous person. When try to talk like them, then people laugh. This laugh disturbs our activity, our seriousness in which we are busy in creation, in working for preservation. We are working to make a quality change. All these laughs, they disturb us. Try to understand, when you get a thought of unity, that there is a fight, you created a thought brings unity among two. What kind of a smile you will have on the face? That is different. As somebody is having sickness and illness, and we are having more like added components like medicines. Sometimes we try to purchase some kind of food rich in protein, rich in carbohydrates, something like added food from outside. Anything when you are having more supplement of any kind of medicine from outside, sometimes it is okay because we are not tuned with the good thought. If you are tuned, but thought is rotating only in the head, you are not able to fuse thoughts everywhere in all parts of head to toes. Then you will feel deficiency of certain atom molecules which are essential to work in this world. For those who have not learned this science, how to fuse each and every point from nails of the toes to top of the head with that thought, which is called true thought, true idea, true concept, that person will have always deficiency. Sometimes calcium, sometimes vitamin D, sometimes this and that, so many deficiencies. That person needs supplement. But some person who is working very hard, not knowing this science, how to fuse each and every part of our self, visible self, with the true thought, idea and concept. But we are very dedicated to do our job, quality job. We try our level best use all power of body, mind, all power of sense organs, intelligence to complete a work. When we see it as responsibility, that person also does not need supplement. Other persons need supplement. But when life is based on more supplement, it is demonstrated, it has been proved, lifespan of that person is less. In all over the world, who are called the very well established personalities, we call rich persons, or persons who are in good position in the government, in administration, or anywhere, they try to take supplement. Something they will purchase from the market, which will give the good taste. They become habitual of that. They convince their mind it is important. Their lifespan is less and compared to all those persons who are working very hard with joy, with one aim. The whole body, mind, intelligence, everything is in order to serve others. When you start serving others with the greatest joy, you will find all things are created inside. Try to understand again. Sometimes when we try to listen that somebody is trying to copy somebody's lifestyle, talking style, then we have good laugh. They are laughing poetry, laughing stories, jokes. That kind of laugh, it demagnetizes our personality. Then, but laugh is important. It is better if you are crying, then better to have the jokes. Cut the jokes, listen some poetry and prose, and just laugh. But if you are sincere, you should try to know if any sentence, any thought, idea, any concept, any vision is making me laugh, but that vision and thought and concept is having some criticism, jokes on some politician or on some any one person, that kind of laugh is not good laugh. But we want love. We want happy life. Then how to do it? Therefore, there are two ways. First thing, if you are practicing Kriya Yoga meditation, then you have to learn that select each and every part of head to toes. Try to learn how to fuse each and every atom molecules, each and every cell and tissue, each and every organ with the true thought, idea and concept. In that you will find your facial expression will change. On your face there will be a smile of soul. All right. And if you are not expert of this technique, then try to do one thing. Use all power of body, mind, intelligence to do some important duties in the life. Where many work is done for us. We are having this carpet, we are having this building, we are using camera, many things, recorder, speaker, we are having cloth, having this machine. It is created by someone, we are using it. Then we should create something. But I am not engineer. Then I cannot do anything. Yes, I can do. Try to do any work which is increasing lifespan of wall, roof, ceiling, everything. This floor, windows, machine, your dress, anything's around, plant. I try to preserve life of bones and muscles, skin and everything. That you can do. Practice recharging with all devotion, concentration on breath with all devotion, concentration on Brahmadhi with all devotion, listening holy vibration with all devotion. Practice it and try to practice this principal philosophy when you are working. If you are not engineer, medical, do not worry. It does not mean you cannot use your best life for others. Majority people are not engineer and doctor. If majority is gone, engineer and doctor are useless. Their life is based on the majority population who are not academic on the platform of science and technology. If we should not feel this, I am less educated, I am not having high academic, this is called useless. You should never think like this. Whatever understanding we have, use all understanding. In order to fulfill that understanding, use all power of body and mind, intelligence, everything to perform that work. With one idea, you are practicing to preserve the creation. This is the carpet. If water is coming, how to maintain health of this carpet? Because water will ruin it. Exactly in the same way, how to maintain existence of all creations. Try to do how much you can do. It will bring a joy on your face. But if you are thinking this is a smaller work, low grade work, this is a higher work, you have biggest illusion. You should never think it. I can tell you honestly, in my whole life, I never imagined that any work is small or big. I belong to a caste where people do not work. They do not do this kind of work, mopping, cleaning, this and that. I did everything. In my all childhood, I did all things what you can imagine. It did not mean that I planned it. It happened automatically. If I was sick, still I was doing. Who was guiding me inside? All credit I give to my master, Swami Tirshagiri. Therefore, this is very important to understand. Laugh is very good, smile is very good. That unnecessary laugh, what we express, is called incomplete smile, incomplete laugh. Try to understand it. Our asana should be in such a way that any person enter here, they should feel great peace and joy without talking to anyone. Your thought will radiate around. It will saturate sky, air. It will saturate plant and walls and everything. You cannot imagine go outside, live there 3 days and come here. You will find big difference. This big difference is not because of me alone, because of all together. This is for today. Let us bow down to this holy congregation. Let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation.